Most people don't have a money problem. They have a nervous system problem around money. Because if your body treats money like danger, then even when you get it, you rush, you grip, you spend, you hide, you sabotage. Not because you're irresponsible, but because your system is trying to survive. Financial freedom isn't just an amount. It's a capacity to hold, to plan, to delay, to receive, to invest, to make decisions without panic, to stay calm while your bank account grows, to stay steady when life tests you. So today, I'm not here to hype you up. I'm here to prepare you. The core idea: money moves toward clarity and containment, and your nervous system is the container. If you're dysregulated, money feels like pressure, urgency, guilt. I better spend it before it's gone. I'll never catch up. I don't deserve this. But when you're regulated, money feels like options, time, agency, patience, strategy, peace. That's the difference between getting money and keeping money. The threefold law, prosperity edition. Now here's the slightly esoteric part, kept practical. In many spiritual systems, there's a principle often called the threefold law. What you put out returns multiplied, sometimes as consequence, sometimes as blessings, sometimes as lessons. For prosperity, we apply it like this. Fold 1, intention. Money responds to direction, not wishes, direction. Intention is, what is this money for? Who does it protect? What does it build? Fold 2, integrity. Money magnifies your patterns. If you leak emotionally, you leak financially. Integrity is, do my actions match my stated goals? Daily. Fold 3, investment. Whatever you consistently feed grows. Investment is, where does my energy go? Consumption or construction? So the law becomes a checklist. Intention to integrity to investment. Do that consistently, and money stops feeling random. You feel confident because you're no longer gambling with your future. The action plan: regulate, stabilize, expand. This is the step-by-step, no fluff. Step 1, name your money trigger profile. 5 minutes. Pick the one that's most you. The sprinter gets money and immediately spends to relieve pressure. The freezer avoids checking accounts, avoids planning, avoids bills. The fixer sends money to everyone else, rescues people, then struggles. The gambler, big swings, big risks, inconsistent discipline. The ghost makes money, but it disappears. Subscriptions, food, little leaks. Say it out loud. My nervous system runs a yes pattern around money. That's power, because you can't change what you won't name. Step 2, build a financial safety signal. 2 minutes daily. Every day before you spend, open your banking app or check your numbers. Put your feet on the floor. Inhale through the nose for 4. Exhale slowly for 6. Say, money is information. I am safe to look. You are training your body. Numbers are not predators. Step 3, create money buckets. Same day, 30 minutes. You need containment. One pile of money creates chaos. Make 4 buckets, separate accounts or just categories. Stability, rent, food, transportation, defense, emergency fund, plus debt minimums. Growth, savings, investing, business reinvestment. Joy, controlled, guilt-free spending with a cap. Why? Because your nervous system relaxes when it knows I can enjoy money without destroying my future. Step 4, install the no panic rule, immediate. When you feel the urge to impulse spend, you do this. Pause, 90 seconds, then decide. Impulses peak and fade. Most financial sabotage is emotional regulation disguised as I deserve it. You can still buy it, but you won't buy it while possessed by urgency. Step 5, weekly money meeting. 30 minutes, same time, same day. No drama, no shame.
Just review what came in, what went out, what leaked, what gets tightened, what gets automated. Then end with this line: I lead my money does not lead me.
Step 6. The threefold prosperity ritual, practical version. Do this every payday or every week. Fold 1, intention. Write 3 lines. This money protects blank. This money builds blank. This money frees blank. Fold 2, integrity. One promise you keep. Pick one non-negotiable rule for the week, like no food delivery, no new subscriptions, $20 day cap spending. Pay yourself first 5%. Fold 3, investment. Small but consistent. Even if it's $5, send something to growth. You are telling your nervous system, I am a builder. I am not a reactor. The 14-day nervous system for money reset. If you do nothing else, do this. Days 1 through 3, observe. Track spending with no judgment. Do the financial safety signal daily. Days 4 to 7, contain. Set buckets. Automate 1 bill and 1 savings transfer. Days 8 to 10, reduce leaks. Cancel 1 to 3 subscriptions. Pick a spending cap category: food, rides, convenience. Days 11 to 14, expand capacity. Increase growth transfer slightly. Hold money for 24 hours before any non-essential purchase. This is how you stop being financially brave and start being financially steady. There's one more practice I need you to hear, especially if you're broke or barely scraping by. While money is tight, we do the 1/3 rule. Any new money that comes in, a dime, a dollar, a tip, a refund, anything, 1/3 goes straight into savings, no exceptions. Not because it's a lot, but because it's consistent. This trains your nervous system to associate receiving money with safety, not panic. You're teaching your body, even when it's small, I protect myself first. Over time, that reflex becomes automatic. And once your income stabilizes and grows, you don't abandon the discipline, you evolve it. That's when you diversify, allocate with intention, and eventually budget to zero, where every dollar has an assignment and none of it controls you. But this 1/3 rule is how you build the emotional muscle to get there. Closing. Motivational. Let me tell you the truth. Financial freedom is not reserved for the lucky. It's reserved for the regulated. For the ones who can sit with discomfort without buying relief. For the ones who can see a number and not collapse. For the ones who can receive without guilt and build without fear. So if money has ever made you anxious, we don't shame you. We train you. Because the goal isn't just more money. The goal is a body that can hold more life. And when your nervous system is ready, your decisions get sharper, your time gets calmer, your strategy gets cleaner, and money starts acting different around you. Because you're acting different around money. Ashe.